Jai Hind friends, welcome to Distam IAS YouTube channel. Today we will discuss about UPPSC ROARO special some important topic which is important for your exam perspectives. Now our topic is significant rebellion against the British rule. This is very important topic. Now the list of non-tribal, tribal and peasant movements. First, Sannyasi Rebellion, affected area Bihar and Bengal, leader Kena Sarkar and Dirji Narayan, year 1760. Fakir Rebellion, affected area Bengal, Musa Shah and Chirag Ali, the leader, and year 1776. Pahadiyas Rebellion, affected area Jharkhand, Raja Jagannath, leader, and year 1778. Rangpur Revolt, affected area Bengal, leader Dheeraj Narayan, year 1783. Chuar Rebellion, affected area Bengal, leader Durjan Singh, and year 1798. Polygas Revolt, affected area Tamil Nadu, leader Kata Boman Yan Nayak, and year 1799. Cheru Revolt, affected area Jharkhand, leader Bhukan Singh, year 1800. Veluthampi Revolt, Travancore, Veluthampi Dalwa is the leader, and year 1808. Paika Rebellion, affected area Odisha, leader Bakshi Jagbandhu, year 1817. Bhil Revolt, Western Ghat, leader Sewaram, year 1818. Ramosis Revolt, Western Ghat, leader Chittur Singh, and year 1820. Pagalpanthi Revolt, affected area Assam, leader Karim Shah and Tipu Shah, 1825. Ahom Revolt, affected area Assam, leader Gondar Kunwar, and year 1828. Wahhabi movement, affected area Bihar and UP, leader Sayyid Ahmad, year 1831. Coal uprising, affected area Chotra Nagpur, leader Buddhu Bhagat, and year 1831. Khasi uprising, affected area Assam, leader Tirat Singh Sayyam, year 1833. Fairaji movement, affected area Bengal, leader Sariyat Miya, and year 1838. Bhumji Rebellion, affected area Jharkhand, leader Ganga Narayan, year 1832. Bundela Revolt, affected area UP and MP, leader Madhukar and Jawahar Singh, 1842. Santhal Rebellion, affected area Bengal and Bihar, leader Sidhu and Kanu, year 1855. Indigo Revolt, affected area Bengal, leader Digambar Biswas, year 1859. Pabna movement, Pabna Bengal, leader Ishan Chandra, and year 1873. Deccan riots, affected area Maharashtra, year 1874. Rampa rebellion, affected area Andhra Pradesh, leader Allu Sitaraman Raju, year 1879. After that, Munda rebellion, affected area Jharkhand, leader Birsa Munda, year 1899. Koya revolt, affected area Eastern Ghat, leader Tomasura and Raja Anantayar. Movement है ताना भगत movement, affected area Jharkhand, leader Jatra Bhagat, year 1914. Mopla rebellion, affected area Malabar region, leader Ali Musliar, and year 1921. Eka movement, affected area Uttar Pradesh, leader Madari Pasi, year 1921. Tevaga movement, affected area Bengal, Kamparam Singh and Bhavan Singh, leaders, and year 1946. Telangana movement, Andhra Pradesh, leader not known, and year 1946. Kuka movement, affected area Punjab, leader Bhagat Jawahar Mal, and year just not known. And now we will discuss about some important revolt. First, Ahom Revolt, 1828, cause defined the place of the withdrawal from the Assam after the First Burma War. The British attempt to incorporate the Ahom territories in the company's domain. This is part of the rebellion in 1828. Under the leadership of Gondar Kunwar and Ahom prince along with the competitors. Finally, the company decided to follow conciliatory policy and handed over Upper Assam to Maharaja Purandar Singh. Bhil Revolt 1825 to 1831, one of the first British resistance movement taken up by any group or tribe in the country was the Bhil Revolt of 1818. Called the Bhils were concentrated in the hill ranges and of Khandes in the previous Maratha territory. The British occupation in 1818 brought in the outsider and accompanying disclosure in their community life. Leaders are General Bhil Insurance in 1817 and 1819 was crushed by the British military forces, and thought some conciliatory measures were taken pacify them. They again revolt under the leadership of Sevaram in 1825 in a Western Ghat. After that, Chuar uprising caused famine, enhanced land revenue demands, and economic distress goaded the Chuar original tribesmen of the Jangal Mahal of Midanpur district and the Bankura district, Bengal, to make up arms. The most significant uprising was under the Durjan Singh in 1798. Other leaders Madhab Singh, Raja Mohan Singh. The uprising lasted from 1760 to 1772. Rising of Bareilly 1816 caused the imposition of the police tax, which aroused the burning indignation of the citizens. Several are Muslims from Pilibhit, Sajapur and Rampur rose in rebellion, defense of the faith of the Mufti. Afsurj in Hathras 1817 caused progressive increase of the high revenue. Talukdar Dayaram Karshuli failed to pay arrears and even committed many acts of the hostility by giving harbor to the government fugitive. So the company with a large army attacked Hathras in 1821. Coal mutiny 1831 caused large scale of transfer of the land from coal headmen of the outsider like Hindu, Sikh, Muslim farmers and moneylenders who were oppressive and demanded heavy taxes. Beside, the British judicial and revenue policy badly affected the traditional social condition of the coals. The coals resent this and 1831 under the leadership of Buddha Bhagat. Mopla revolt 1921 caused hike in revenue demand and a reduction of the field size, coupled with the operation of official result the widespread peasant unrest among the Moplas of Malabar. Ramosi revolt 1822 caused the Ramosis, the hill tribes of the Western Ghat, had not recognized to British rule and the British pattern administration. They rose under the Chittur Singh in 1820 and plundered the country around the Satara. And it's after that, the Kuka movement caused founded in 1840 by Bhagat Jawahar. They are also known as the Sian Sahib in Western Punjab. A major leader of the movement after him was Baba Ram Singh. Its basic tenets were abolition of the caste and similar discrimination among Sikhs, discouraging the consumption of meat and alcohol and the drugs, permission for intermarriage, widow remarriage, and encouraging women to step out the seclusion. On the political side, the Kukas wanted to remove British and restore Sikh rule over the Punjab. They advocate wearing hand woven clothes and boycott the English laws and education and the products. Santhal rebellion 1855 caused the Santhal of Rajmahal Hills represented the opposition by the revenue officials, police, money lenders, landlords. The Santhal under Sidho and Kanu rose up against their oppressors, declared that end of the company's rule and asserted themselves independent in 1854. After that, Paika rebellion 1870 caused the Paika Bidroh of the took place nearly 14 years before the first Sepoy mutiny. Bakshi Jagbandhu, Biyadar Mohapatra, Bharambar Rai, the highest ranking of the military general of the Mukund Dev II, and the steward holder the lucrative Rodanga state-led army of Paikas to join the uprising of the Kons. They confronted the British on the 2nd April 1817. The Paikas were supported to Rajas, Jamidar, village heads and ordinary peasants. The rebellion quickly spread the different parts of the provision. Government building in Banapur were set on the fire, policemen killed and British treasury looted. The Eka movement 1921 caused Eka movement was started in 1921 in the Awadh region. The initial trust was given the leader of Congress and Khilafat movement. The main reason for the movement was high rent, which is generally higher than the 50% of freeholder rent in the accepted non-violence. When leadership was passed to the Madari Pasi, he was the recruit to accept non-violence. This led the movement to lose contact with the nationalist class. After that, Sannyasi rebellion caused the Sannyasi uprising took place in Bengal between the period of 1770 to 1820. The Sannyasis rose the rebellion after the Great Famine 1770 in Bengal, which caused the acute chaos and misery. However, the immediate cause of rebellion was the restriction imposed the British upon pilgrims visiting holy places among both Hindus and Muslims. The distress famine 1770 and the harsh economic order, the British compelled a group of sannyasis in eastern India to fight with the British Young. Anand Math, a semi-historical novel, Bankim Chand Chatterjee, is based on the sannyasi revolt. Polygars revolt. Cause the polygars of Dindigal and Malabar rose up against the oppressive land revenue system of the British during 1801 to 1806. In September 1799, the first polygar war rose up in an open rebellion in Tamil Nadu. Kautabuma Nayak was considered as the main leader of the rebellion and publicly hanged in the front of the other polygar as warning. The second polygar war, given the magnitude of the participant, is also known as the South Indian Rebellion. This is our some important rebellion or revolt which is very important for exam perspectives. So you can learn, and just like and subscribe our YouTube channel if you like our videos. Thank you.